What's up? Hi. Hi everyone. I haven't seen you guys in a while, so I thought I'd say hello to every single one of you and explain and thank everyone for their concern. Yeah, to look, a lot of you were concerned about what happened to me मैंने क्यों experiment किया. Hi. Guys, can you all hear me? Hi Rifat, can you hear me? I love it. I absolutely love it when I see someone I know properly. I can ask them questions. Ree, where are you? Say something. Yes, okay, you guys can hear me. Alright. Actually, it was just, I'm sharing this with you guys, okay? It was just a moment of, how do I put it politely? Like, I just wanted to break away from the system. Does that make sense to you guys? Because I've been playing with the idea of quitting Instagram for a while, and I just wanted to do it to see how it would feel. Yeah. So, what's up? Anyone has anything nice to ask me? Oh, a lot of people. Majid's joining me as well. Hi, Majid. How are you? Oh my God, my brother's also online. Guys, all of you send your love to Immers87 if you all can. Yeah. Okay, some questions are coming up. Katha Almkahi season 2 कब आ रहा है? I just thought जो हुआ था अच्छे से हुआ था. It was a beautiful project. It was a beautiful story. So maybe somebody else. Yeah. Why is my brother playing around with me? I don't understand. Hey Majid, tell Naila I'm sending my love to and my salam. Give lots of love to my favorite roommate, my roomie, Amun Namu. Yeah, tell him I said salam as well. What do you guys have? Let's see. No, I don't want this stuff. Where's the question there? Am I doing a new project with Aisha Singh? Yeah, I think I am. Very soon you guys will see a promo or something like that. What's your next TV series? I just said, I mentioned with Aisha Singh, and I'm going to be working with one of... okay, I won't spoil the surprise for you guys. There's somebody I'm working with and I'm really, really excited about. So I'll go live once I'm on set. Yeah. I haven't messaged any actor till now. Trust me, you're the first. Viyan Raghuvanshi. I don't know how to react to that. Who was that? Noorrain Fatima. Okay. I always felt like saying this, so I'm going to say it now. I'm glad, Noorrain. Thank you. Thank you for your appreciation and your love. But Noorrain, Viyan Raghuvanshi was in Katha. I am Adnan, and I'm very, very different from him. So we're not exactly the same people. Viyan was probably a way better human being than I am. I'm just a human being. So yeah. Addy, when am I getting married? Who asked this? Who asked me this question? Who's this? A_Sapalocha09. When am I getting married? That question you, my mother, and a lot of other people are asking. Yeah. You know, when I find my banno, I'm actually copying this from my brother. My brother has this very cute way of saying, bro, my boo is out there somewhere. You know, she's searching for me. So same way my banno is out there somewhere, I'm searching for her too. Whenever I eat dosa, I remember, who's this? I remember you. Who's this? Maggie's Chi 25. Maggie's Chi 25. Thank you. I love dosa. And I think you're in Bangalore. If you are, please make sure you go to Umesh Dosa. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm getting sidetracked, man. This is not cool. The whole point of this was for me. Yeah. The whole point of this was for me to tell you guys that the reason I went away. I don't know how many were there in the start. The reason I went away was just a social experiment. I wanted to see what would happen to my psychology. What would happen to me if. I just quit Instagram for a couple of days. And even though weirdly I missed it, I missed the conversations with random friends and stuff like that. I was at peace. Yeah, weirdly I was at peace. There was no comparison with anybody. It was just me for those 10 days. And it was nice. It was really peaceful. I might quit in the future. I don't know. I might quit Instagram. Yeah. As I said, I never message any actor till late except you. You're my most realistic actor. Adnan, thanks for mentioning my name. Nurain, no, thank you for your lovely compliment. Credit goes to my director. It wasn't me. I really didn't do too much in that show. The show had great actors and great writers, and yeah, but thank you. Guys, I have about 10 more minutes before I quit this. I need to go and pray. So if there's any nice fun questions you guys have, please ask me now. Stop asking me to say your name. I will not say your name. I will not say your name. Unless it's a really weird name, then I'm going to say your name. Yeah, I agree. Taking a break helps. Yeah, I do. Did Shamail Shamail? You're asking me to deadlift? You still haven't given me the brownies that you promised. I'm watching you. Okay, I have to say B_Sharad. I don't know, some fan is there. Okay, guys. There's a fan of mine. His name is B_Sharad. He's got like this weird photo where he's like posing in the side like. He wants me to say his name. I'll say his name. Okay. B_Sharad. You're like. Oh. Yeah, that didn't work out too well. Hey, what's up? Yeah. So my friends here as well. B_Sharad is asking me to say his name. I will say your name. B_ whatever. Like, yeah. Were you pouting at? Oh God. Shah, bro, you diss me in front of like everybody here, bro. Is this how we play? Huh? Bro, did you see the game yesterday? Did you see first of all the UFC fights and the game yesterday? I wanted to message all these Real fans and I said I should not, for some time. I absolutely love it, guys, when my friends come on and mess with me on the chat. Throwing your bro and friends under the bus as usual. Do you see what they're typing? Do you see what they do to me? You only see what I say. Go up in the chat and see what my brother's been doing. No sir, fans, sir, this, that, and Sharad is saying, say my name and all that. Where were you when you were out of Instagram, Kabir? I was... I'm sorry, is Maggie's Chi 25 my friend? Maggie, is that you? The Maggie I know? I don't know. Yeah, I was away from Instagram just concentrating on my life, man. And life was fun. Yeah. How do you choose good projects all the time? Oh, thank you. That's really nice of you to say. I don't think I choose good projects all the time. Whenever I get bored and I feel like working, I pick up the first interesting thing that comes. Yeah, there's no good choosing and all. Jerry Punyakar is also in the chat saying, big fan, sir. I don't understand why all the friends have to do this. It's the same line of jokes. Like all my friends will come on and type, big fan, sir, say my name, sir, and all that. I don't understand why they do it. Jerry is like a friend, but Jerry Punyakar, guys, go on Jerry Punyakar's Instagram. Any of you who support me, who care about like my feelings and my life, please go on Jerry Punyakar's account and send him like a poop emoji. You know the poop emoji? Send him the poop emoji. You're a true inspiration. Thanks, man. Sweet of you. Yeah, my inspiration is. No, my inspiration has recently become very spiritual figures in my life. I won't take names here because the minute you take certain names connected to spirituality and religion, people misconstrue it. But all I'll say is that please get inspired by someone way better than me. I'm lucky. Yeah. Been a while up now. What have you been up to? Hey Ray, what's up, man? Been nothing, man. Been working on like a couple of projects. What you been up to? It's weird that I'm having a conversation with you via live, but okay. अदनान जी, आप कह रहे थे हम आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं. हम आपसे अच्छा. You want to meet me? Yeah, we can meet. एक बार शूटिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. I don't know who that was, but it went up too much. Do I watch Big Boss? No, I don't. Hey Adnan, for me you're the bestest actor. Guys, there is a person who's just come on the chat. His name is Rahul Talwar. This person has caused me the most amount of pain in my life. He showed me how friends can break your heart, right? And he writes dirty things to me all the time. Can you all please mess with him? Rahul Talwar. Rahul.Talwar. RAUL.TALWAR. Hey Brad, what's up, man? How you doing, bro? Heard great things about you. I hope you're good. इतने सारे कमेंट्स की रिप्लाई कैसे दे रहे हैं आप? यू आर सो नाइस. Guys, Rahul is again abusing me. Rahul.Talwar is the name. Anyone cares about me, even this much, please go and mess with that guy. He's a very hateful human being. Read a good book. Oh, someone asked me something about a book. I did actually. Recommend a good book you've read recently. Okay, so it's the last book that I read, and it's called Muhammad, peace be upon him. I forget the it was written by this European dude, right? It was obviously on Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But the reason why I mentioned this book is because I love the way he's told the story. Anyone even remotely interested in reading about that should pick it up. But the reason I tell you is, okay, I'm not going to speak. Obviously, the whole world knows what the Prophet did, and peace be upon him, and who he was, and a nice human being and stuff like that, right? But there are certain characters he's written about, the writer has written about in that time, which, man, like, blew me away, right? There were two specific people he wrote about. One's name was Wahab, he was a warrior, and one's name was Nusaybiya. She was this lady who used to help out at the times of battle. Dude, I salute those guys. So yeah, if anyone's interested in that, please check that out. Anything else I read recently? That's the last book that like just shudders to mind. What's my favorite song? Hard to tell, man, my favorite song. Because you know what, I like different genres, so like Mughal-e-Azam, Teri Mehfil mein Kismat Aake Azma Kar Hum Bhi Dekhenge is a song that I like. I love actually Dil Se. I love stuff, but I love a lot of Hindi music written by Gulzar Saab. I love that stuff, man. He writes so well. Weird thing happened with me. Songs from Omkara. Because Gulzar Saab's Hindi, at least in that movie, that was very high end for me. But जब मुझे पता चला what he was saying specifically in the song of Naina, man, guys, I'm being real right now. Okay, the song Naina, written by Gulzar Saab, and it goes along the lines of like Naina thag lenge. And you know, the first it's one of my favorite movies. पर मुझे नहीं पता था गाने में क्या बोला जा रहा. I had no idea. And then somebody sitting next to me, Manish Dimri, yeah. So he was sitting next to me, and उसने बताया कि क्या what's being said in the song. I lost my mind, man. What he's saying about eyes, oh God, man, so true, man, so true. Salute to him, yeah. I love Naina song. I love it. And also my other favorite song is from Omkara is Jag Ja Re Gudiya. I'm bad with Hindi, man. I'm really bad. Jag Ja Re Gudiya, Misri ki Gudiya. Kaise? Yeah. I love that song too. Sir, anything else? Who asked that nice question about music? Hi Archana, what's up? I'm good. How are you? I hope everything's good. Netflix recommendations, please. Who's this? This person deserves a raise. Hebi Manaf. Honestly, I've been really disappointed with Netflix content. I didn't find anything. No. Yeah, I didn't find anything worth losing my shit over. I'm sorry, for me a Netflix a series is like too long of a commitment, so it better be that damn good that you're making me invest 10 hours, 12 hours. I can't. No, man. I was even, believe it or not, I was really disappointed with the movies that have been coming out. I just saw Joker 2. I was so excited. I woke up in the morning excited. I brushed my teeth. I was so happy. I was like, today we're going to go to the cinema and watch a great movie. We're going to see great performances. No. Maybe you guys might enjoy it. I don't want to spoil anybody else's experience. The actors were phenomenal, but as a film, it didn't work for me. Yeah, the same thing happened. I saw Venom yesterday. No, not my jam. Okay, guys, last 5 minutes. I got to go and pray. It's time for prayer. I'm a little late. Anything else? I will not say anybody's name. No. Bro, I'm a Iraqi fan. Can I say hi? Hi, my Iraqi fan. Recommend books that inspire you. I have answered this before, but if I tell you one book, recently I just spoke about the book that I read, but The Fountainhead. Ayn Rand. Yeah. Why don't you call my mom again? Hey, when did I call your mom? Anissa, I spoke to your mom. I called your mom? I don't remember. Alright. You have 3 more minutes, guys, and this is all I'm getting. Say my name. Have you been married, Adnan? No, not yet. Yeah. And hopefully, once I get married, I'm not going to end that relationship. Hopefully, God willing. So, Yeah. Favorite food? Whoever spoke about food, I love this new restaurant in Bandra called Mag Street. It's really good. It's really, really good, and that's where I go. It's got like various. There's like too many dishes that are great there. It's not like one specific cuisine. So yeah, if anyone's from Bombay, please check out Mag Street. Whoever said Kite Runner and Thousand Splendid Suns are great books, yeah, I agree. They are wonderful. I don't speak about them because they're a little emotional for me. They broke my heart, both the books. I will never forget. So one second, Kite Runner was the one. I know Kite Runner. For you 1,000 times. Oh, I will never forget that book. It messed me up. But Thousand Splendid Suns was the one with the sister, right? Whoever asked me that question, I get a little confused with the stuff. But if it was the one with the sister, oh man, what books? Yeah, they broke everyone's heart. I agree, man. I agree. For you 1,000 times over. What a line. What a line. Especially coming from two children. From a child, basically. Not two, yeah. Amir and Hassan, yeah. Anyways, I want to get emotional. I have... Hey Sham, teri bema... Oh, yeah, that's my this thing. Alright guys, so I guess this is it. I got to head. It was lovely chatting with you all. I just wanted to say the whole point again of this was that you all were a little worried why I went off Instagram and stuff like that. I just wanted to make myself a little happy. I thought it would, and it did. It made me really happy. And I might quit it in the future. I was just telling another actress this. She was messaging me. She's like, I've been thinking about this and all that. And I was like, let's become as famous as Christopher Nolan and then just throw away the smartphone. You know, go back to the Stone Age, so to say. Anyways, thank you guys. Lovely chatting with you all. Thank you for the questions. Love you guys. Bye-bye.